Look overcast.
Huh?
Look overcast like it's gonna rain.
Yeah, probably.
I need rain.
Hi,
Hi, Simon.
how are you?
Good, having a great time.
Nice.
This lady was walking
Come
out
on,
this way.
Chucky.
Good.
Nice
Super nice.
t-shirt. I like the shirt, Chucky.
Yeah, Bob Marley, I paid $20 for it.
20 US?
A
Yes.
lady on the way.
So much?
You know what you?
Would you like some
At this Indian store, you pay 20 US. You can pay more too, depends on the one you choose. You know?
I should have
These
said
guys
word.
making so
You
much
nodded
money
my
from
wife,
the
that's
tourists.
That's what
These
I said.
Indian.
I said no thank you.
Cause they have some nice things in there, to be honest, you know. They sell hammock and all these things at the band store in Ochiras. So sometimes I'm so crazy. I just leave go Ochi to buy a Bob Marley shirt. I don't even understand, but I do it. Because I like it and I feel comfortable with it. Bob Marley. Nice. Super. Right, Boston? What happened to you? You don't eat the food? Huh?
I don't know if you eat it.
It's crazy. Yeah, I'm going to Portland soon, you know, but it's a little bit early, you know.
True.
Yeah, it's not 12 o'clock yet. It's just after 11.
Wherever you go.
So anytime after 12, I can go. And I can pay the bill in Oak Bay too. That at the Western Union in Oak Bay. No?
Oh, nice.
Yes, and Bill Express and all these things. So I can pay in Oak Bay, but sometimes I don't like to stop in Oak Bay because Oak Bay becomes so stressful. Everybody want this, everybody want that. You know? So I don't know why people just targeting me, want this, want that. You know?
Everyone, Chucky's getting targeted here in Jamaica now. And now he feel like he want to leave.
Yes, maybe I should leave and go to Europe and never come back.
Never come back?
Yes, just leave and never come back and just stay in Europe and chill. Yeah.
That's the plan.
Maybe come back one time for the year and just visit like a tourist, you know, and just sell this place and stay in Europe.
How much you want for it?
I don't know, I have to think about it. Yeah, I will think about the price and let you know.
Oh God.
Yeah? Yeah, man. A lot of people want it, you know.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Millions and millions and millions of people. Because people always telling me, Chucky, if you know any land close by the river, selling. Because I have the dreamland in Jamaica, you know that?
Mm.
Yeah. This is a dream place, you know. It's like a gold mine, I find. So much people want it. So much people like it here because it's like an island by itself. You don't really have neighbor. So that's why you can just do what you want on this property, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. It's so relaxing, so comfortable. You drink, your music, your barbecue. Just wake up and live freelance style and look across there on the mountain and look on the river, you know. And you're good for the day. No stress. No hustling, because to be honest, that's why most people don't like me. You know? I don't keep up people to come and hustle the guests at my place. I talk it straight and plain. So either you like me or you hate me. But I'm here to help the people. I say it all the while, and to protect the people. Because most places they keep hang out guy like beach boys to hang at the place, and then they come and try to harass the tourists and try to sell them this. And some people do not like that. If they want something to buy, they see it and buy it on the whole. You don't push people to buy things, you know. And at the same time, the bad part about it, you're doubling the price, which is not right.
Mm-hmm.
Treat people with honesty. Treat people with love. And once you go that direction, everything will work good for you in your behalf at the end of the day. So just easy and everything will come to you. Don't push nothing, you know. So no hang out boys at my place. And I tell the guests, if they bring somebody here and I don't like the person who they bring here, I told them straight up, say, I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna harass you right now, but please I'm asking you, do not bring this person back to my place. I have a reason why I say to you, because I know the people more than you. You don't have to take my advice, you know. You don't have to believe in what I'm telling you, but I'm just saying something to you. If you feel good with it, or you feel bad, it leaves to you. But leave the person out at the gate and don't take them on my property. My property is a private, relaxing property for guests from all over the world, the four corners of the earth. So when they come, I want them to feel super nice and super good and relax. They can go anywhere and leave the door open. You see, look, no guests inside here, no guests inside here. Look over there. You can show them. No guests around. And the people just go and leave their door open because no one will steal them or go inside and take out anything because I know about myself. I cannot swear for the next person. And I don't want no one to come and trouble the people and then it look like I'm conspiracy, I'm confederate with these people. You know? Because sometimes maybe the tourists think I know about it, you know. Yes. So that's why I don't want it to happen, you know. So I make sure I talk before it happens. So everything okay, everything nice. Like I say, I'm going to Port Antonio to pay my bill, my light bill, and bring a little money to help one guy, but I'm not going to call his name, you know, but I think I should help him. He's not such a bad guy, you know. I knew him from when I was a kid, you know. Me and his dad was a good friend too, you know, and his dad passed away. So he asked me for a change, I'm going to give him this change and see how it works from there. Because he cannot destroy me. He can't destroy himself. So if he don't pay me back, it's himself him hurt him. Don't really hurt me, you know. No, he don't hurt me. Because maybe I pay him to get rid of him, you know. That's a new way to, you know. Sometimes I pay people to get rid of them. You didn't know that? Yes, because I'm not going to pay you back, so gradually he will stop talking to you.
That's very true.
Yes, he will stop talking to you. And through me, is not the guy to see no one and ask them for money. I just leave it and start all over again, you know. Yes, because it must be a way. I always say that, you know. And big up my friend Bakra.
In England?
You know, same day now, I do some farming up by Union.
Really? He's here
Yeah,
in
man.
Jamaica?
He is here, man.
Back in Jamaica?
Yeah, man. He cannot take Babylon. He's not a guy of Babylon, you know.
Oh, nice.
So he gradually come back home and chilling and taking
You
care
link
of
him?
himself. Yeah, he linked me several times, man. He come over here, man.
Did you watch the video? And
Yeah, man. And sometimes he come here to use the Wi-Fi and things like that, you know. He welcome at my place, man, because we are
Nice.
brethren growing from long time, you know.
No, so I want to meet him too.
Yes, and through this guy know that Chucky so freelance. Chucky not really looking nothing from nobody, you know. So he can just come, have a beer, cook, smoke, and feel good, you know. And big up my virgin Dr. Sprung too. But him still the American stuck himself, you know. But the last time he talked to him, he told me, Chucky, to be honest with you, I need to come back to Fichu, but I'm just having a job trying to back up some money and save some money. So as soon as he get that money, he told me he will come back and fix up his place. You have a nice place over Kano, you know. Dr. Sprung. Yeah, man. And big up Durant too.
Durant?
Yeah, man, a guy from up there, father named Vershi, you know. These guys used to steal away my bike and ride around, you know. The first straight bike, Durant, Alric. Yeah, man. I grow these kids, you know. I know he's in America and he tell me, Chucky, I stay in America and see you, celebrity on YouTube. And I tell my friend them say, oh, I know Chucky. They don't believe me. They don't believe him, you know. Yes, so he was here sometime last year. So you have to take one picture together, me and him, and bring back to America to bring back the reality to these guys to show them, say, yes, he know Chucky. Because these guys in America, they're so excited about me, you know. For him, it's a little bit strange too, because I said, Chucky, I didn't know that you have the people in the United States that way. Everybody want to come to you. Everybody want to chill at your place, you know. And I tell him, yeah, man, the people are welcome. No problem. As long as I have the space, no problem. And if I even don't have the space, I will come out my room and give my room to them and sleep in a hammock. Because I already do that before, and I can do it again, you know. As long as the people feel comfortable, where I gonna put them. No problem, I sleep anywhere, even on the table.
Yeah, imagine guys, Chucky sleeping here on this table.
Yeah, man, even on the table.
No problem?
No problem to sleep on the table. Because I want my guests to feel good, and I don't want them to homeless hanging on the road and have nowhere to sleep. So I give my bed to them and sleep on the table and hammock and something, and everything super good.
No, man.
Right now, the banana ripening slowly. To get
Yeah.
it ripe fast, maybe I should put it in a bag.
Yeah, guys,
Maybe I should put it in a bag to generate more heat.
check out the banana, guys. It's still
Before I got on the fly,
very green.
I ate
Yeah.
2 packages gummy bears. They're 1,200 milligrams of each.
Unless you find yourself
I
in
have
a-
to think a little bit, budget, you know.
Of course. Elon Musk think budget. And he have so much money. Eh?
No.
He don't think budget.
Mm-mm.
Eh?
Mm-mm.
No, he think budget.
No, him just do things without thinking about money. That's how him roll.
Yeah?
That's one of his mentality.
Oh.
Him several times nearly bankrupt.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. With Tesla.
But, yeah?
Yeah, man. The company nearly go down couple times.
You will still have money, man.
You'll never run out of money.
Eh?
Not anymore, not anymore. But back in the day,
Oh. He cannot run out of money. If you want that money, he called the Jeff. Jeff Bezos, you know?
Just call Jeff.
just call Jeff.
Yeah, just call Jeff, eh?
Or you call you, Chucky.
Yes, if you run out of money, just call Jeff, and Jeff will send some money to you, you know?
Or call the Jamaican Elon Musk.
Yeah,
Freelance
I call
Chucky.
Freelance Chucky. I will send it to Elon Musk.
Yeah, if Elon needs some support, he can call you, right?
Definitely. I just write him a check. Sky's the limit, you know?
True.
Yeah,
True.
I write him a check.
How many days do you think it still need for them to ripen?
To be honest, it's a little bit cool in the night. So to get this thing right fast, you need to put it in one cartoon box, you know?
Okay.
And wrap it up with some clothes. Now it up in the whole pin. So the more eat, that's why it ripe faster, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So maybe you should put it in one box. I just leave it freelance, and I don't know.
Just leave it freelance.
We'll make it stay there.